What if I told you that every time someone sends a message on your WhatsApp, a chatbot can automatically collect their details, guides them, and save their information directly into Google Sheets without you touching your phone? So yes, you can build this entire automation without writing a single line of code. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to automate lead generation using a WhatsApp chatbot built with Pabbly Chatflow. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a chatbot that can communicate with your users, collect their details, and automatically store everything inside Google Sheets. But before we see the designing of chatbot, let's understand why Pabbly Chatflow is becoming one of the most powerful WhatsApp automation platform for businesses. See, every industry faces the same challenge and have almost same question. Responding each and every user manually can be a time consuming and hectic. And honestly, this is where Pabbly Chatflow becomes a game changer. With Pabbly Chatflow, you can automate users' inquiries, capture leads automatically, and build chatbot flows visually. So instead of manually chatting with each and every user, Pabbly Chatflow can handle the conversation for you. And that's exactly what we are going to see today. Alright, so this is the flow builder of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. But before we proceed, if you are an existing user of Pabbly, then it's perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. And I have also something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of interactive chatbots for your own business, then go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. You have worked hard to build your business. Now let Pabbly handle repetitive works for you so you can focus on the real growth instead of manual replies. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you reach there, on the left hand side you will see the multiple features. You just have to come towards this flows feature, and this flow builder page is going to be appear in front of you. For creating a new flow, you just have to click on this plus add flow button. I have already created one, so I'm directly going in it. See, this is the chatbot flow for lead generation. I have created this flow as a complete example for educational institute, but whether you run a real estate, service based or any other business, you can customize the same chatbot for that too. Now let's understand each and every step that I have used inside this flow. At first, you just have to select the trigger event from here that I have selected as keyword. Keywords are those manually entered voice that I expect that the user will send to me. Now, whenever the user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp bot, then automatically my bot gets trigger and reply to them by sending them one welcome message. I'll show you in real time. See, as soon as the user sends a message, it will automatically send this type of welcome message that includes two quick buttons. See, this is the same message that I have entered in this enter message box as well as the button also. For doing this, you just have to take this text button from here, enter the message in this enter message box, and for adding a button, you just have to click on this plus add button. Give your button name, select the button type from here and click on the save button. So this is how easily you can do the setup of this type of text node. Under these messages and actions, you will see different buttons. You can use all of these buttons for designing your flow, and make sure to make the connection. After creating a welcome message and adding two quick buttons, the next node I have taken in this flow as question node for asking my user's first name. So for getting it, you just have to click on this actions option and add button as ask question. Enter the question in this enter message box based on your own choice. After that, select the contact custom field from here that I am selecting as first name. After that, the format I am selecting as text, as name should always in the format of text. Next, the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times you give retry attempts to your users for answering this question. It also works like this. For example, I have selected the format as text and the user will reply to the bot in the format of number, email or any other format except text. Then bot does not give any reply. So for handling those type of cases, we have to increase the number of attempts. But make sure that whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message on this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I have asked the user to share their last name. For the same, I added one more question node. In real time, it sends a message like this. Please share your full name and the last name. Exactly same input that I have entered in both of these boxes. Moving forward, I have taken the list node and you will see I use the dollar symbol before the first name contact custom field and the last name as well. Now why I have used this? Because it is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of this, automatically in this place the user's name will come. See, as soon as I have shared the first name as Rohan and the last name is Sahu, it will automatically mention the Rohan Sahu after this hi. It is only made possible with the help of these contact custom fields that I have selected in each of these not and this dollar symbol. So this is how it works. Contact custom fields are a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, phone number and many more. For creating a contact custom field, you just have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields. In simple terms, it is used for sending a personalized message based on the user input. For adding list node, you just have to take this list button from here. If you want to add any header, then you can enter it in this box, and for the message you can enter in this enter body box. After that, enter the footer, create a section based on your needs, add the items by clicking on this plus add items button. Here I have added only 3 types of course, but you can add more. The process of adding items in the list will be the same. In real time, this message is going to be delivered to your users like this. After that, as soon as the user will select the course type that they are interested in, then again bot asks them a question to share their city name, email address and the contact number. In all of these steps too, I have taken the question node and changed the content. You can also add as many questions as you want. Moving forward, now what is this? This is the API request node. With the help of this, the user's provided data is going to be stored inside your Google Sheets like this. See, as soon as the bot will receive some new information during conversation, then automatically the exact same data is going to be stored inside your Google Sheet. So for making this connection, I have taken the API request node. You can get this node from here. See, this is the API request node. After getting the button, you just have to create a connection between Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Chatflow. Now, what is Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without coding. It is also one of the best tools that I have ever used. Now for doing this setup, you just have to click on this edit button. Next in this field, you just have to paste the webhook URL. For getting this webhook URL, you just have to go towards your Pabbly Connect automation. See, I have already created this automation before, where at first I have selected my trigger application as Pabbly Chatflow for making a connection between Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Chatflow, and the action I have selected as Google Sheets. Once you select the trigger as Pabbly Chatflow, it will automatically provide you one webhook URL. You just have to copy this webhook URL from here and paste it in this field. After that, select the request as post. Next, it will provide you 3 options as parameters, headers and body. I have done this setup by going in this parameters and selected all the contact custom fields here. For adding more, you just have to click on this plus add more fields button and select it it from this drop down. After selecting the contact custom fields and entering the key, you just have to click on this test button and click on this run test. And once you receive this type of message as API request successful, now I am going to show you workflow as well. See, automatically I received a new response, and it includes all the test leads that I have sent from the Pabbly Chatflow. So this is how easily you can make a connection. And after this, I have taken the next application as Google Sheet, where I have simply done the mapping. Mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes it a dynamic. Different users have different data. So for capturing each user's data dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, automatically every time when the users will share their information, this will change. So this is how easily you can create a workflow by using Pabbly Connect. Lastly, and in our flow, I again use the text button and enter the message. And this message also includes the dollar symbol before some fields, as it is a contact custom field symbol. And for the next button, I have again taken the text button. So this is how easily you can create a WhatsApp chatbot flow by using Pabbly Chatflow. After creating a flow, you just have to click on the save button so that your flow will be saved and updated. And not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot flows based on your own business too. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing lead generation chatbot, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. This will work 24/7 for your business. Give instant response to your users even when you are sleeping. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing chatbot for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.